Hi everyone, John McNeilis, Sales and Marketing Manager at DG Technologies, back to introduce you to our new DPA Mobile Diagnostics app for Android. Super excited about this new introduction. So you can take our diagnostics and use it in the palm of your hand. It's used on a tablet or a phone platform for Android, and you'll get vehicle information, you'll get to read and clear fault codes, you can view live data, and email or print truck reports with this new app. It's part of our Truck Connect family of products, and you use it with the DPA XL, which engages CyberGuard protection for your systems and your vehicles. You'll plug in the tool and activate the Bluetooth connection, pair the phone or tablet, and away you go. You can find this on the Play Store, DPA Mobile Diagnostics, or on our www.truck-connect.com portal, which will connect you. I'd like to say that you can also call us or email us at sales@dgtech.com for some really great introductory offers. So that's just the start and the introduction that I'm excited to tell you about. Follow us on our social media platforms, like this video, and hit the subscribe button on YouTube to find out more. Thank you.